So guys, I'm already on TradingView and let's dive into this incredible strategy. I will start by looking at and setting up the indicator. We need a combination of two indicators, and let's begin with the first indicator. It's called Trend Meter by this particular author and select it, and I should mention that this indicator is composed of three different trend indicators used for trend confirmation. It provides excellent signal, and let me explain its features and how to open trade or long and short positions. And let's start with the long position. First we look for this green circle. When you see it, it means a signal to open a long position. It's crucial that on this green signal, and there are also green dots, and both of these lines should be green. Only then can you confidently open a long position. Here is an example where all the conditions for a long position are met. Suppose you open your long position here. Always set your stop loss at the previous structural point. This strategy works well with the 1:2 or 1:3 risk-reward ratio. For short position, you'll get a red circle as a signal. Under this red circle, all other must be red, and the two lines below must also be red. Only then you should open to short position. Set your stop loss at the previous structural maximum and the previous structural point to make the strategy easy, and can add another indicator. And here are the indicator lines. Let's configure it by going to the Style tab and unchecking a specific box. These lines mark your take profit levels, indicating up to which level you should set your take profit. I usually set it to the first 3 or 4 levels, so sometimes it reaches 5 levels, but I generally stick to the first 3. These indicators help set your take profits by showing lines where the price has reacted, bounced, or been rejected. It bases these lines on this historical price action. I hope that's clear. If anything is still unclear, you understand better as I trade. I showed the examples of opening long and short position on the Bitcoin to USD chart, and let's start trading Forex and opening real-time trades. So let's analyze and pick the first currency pair. So GBP GPY currency pair. I got a signal to open a long position. And let's do that right way. The entry point will be here, and I'll play the stop loss at the previous local minimum. I set my take profit at this direction line. My risk-reward ratio is 2.41. All the conditions for the trade entry are met, and let's see the result of this long position. My long position closed successfully. I earned $241. The signal was strong. At one point, I almost lost the trade, but the stop loss was set correctly. And let's continue trading and find the next entry point. I got a signal for AUD USD currency pair. Almost all conditions for the trade are met, except for one line still being green. This isn't always mandatory, but more confirmation is better. I'll open a short position at the stop loss at the structural lines and open the position. If this short position closes in profit, I'll earn $235, and let's see the result of the trade, guys. So guys, my short position also closed successfully in profit. I earned $235, the signal was strong, and I am satisfied with the result. Let's demonstrate another trade and try to find a long position, guys. So I got a signal to open a long position. All conditions for the trade are met. Let's set it up, and the stop loss will be the structural minimum. There is no support and resistance line from the indicator here, and I'll open a 1:2 risk-reward ratio trade. This seems optimal, and let's see the result of the signal. So guys, the signal worked well again, earning $200. It was a confident trade. To wrap up, I'll open one more short position, reinforce the result, and the strategy is effective overall. But to be sure, I'll open another trade and let's continue and pick the next currency pair. So Euro USD currency pair, I got a signal to open a short position, and let's do it immediately. And the stop loss will be at the previous structural maximum, and I'll set the take profit at the correction line according to my support and resistance indicator. All conditions for the trade are met as usual. My risk-reward ratio is 3.55, and if the trade works out, I'll earn $354. And let's see the result of the short position. My short position also closed successfully. I earned $354 and the signal was strong, and I am very pleased with the result, and the strategy is indeed very effective. I've tested it extensively and it performs well. If you have any questions about using the strategy, or if anything is unclear, you can find a link to my Telegram in the video description. Feel free to ask any questions and I'll do my best to help you. Have a great day and many successful trades. Bye bye.